Hey guys, join us today while we show you how we put up some of the interior walls in the garage portion of our apartment. Welcome to Untamed Hearth, where adventure is a way of life and home is the cozy place we snuggle up in between.
You can push here and pull here. And if that's the case, you're on my side with that. You also have this stick that you can control. It's not fully engaged. I'm gonna get underneath.
Soren and I had been out, and when we got home, River and Arden were putting this wall up. They need my help. The pieces we use over the doors are really heavy, and just lumber in general, when you're putting this many pieces together, is pretty heavy.
All right. Now it's one whether we could go for it.
Should we go for it, or should we?
I'm gonna try it.
Alright.
I'll set it back down on these legs if it doesn't work.
Okay.
I can do it. Not there again, I don't know.
Whew. Oh, well, this is hitting that beam. It's being way upright today. Set the
Pull the
leg.
bottom out. Pull the bottom out now.
The bottom, this
Pull the bottom
here.
out.
Oh, I see. So,
Pull the bottom out. Don't worry about the line.
okay.
Alright, now go
Pull that bottom out?
clamp that together.
Oh, clamp. On the bottom.
Hi.
Hi.
Actually, swing those out of the way. It works more like that. Swing it out of the way, probably.
Oh, if I swing it that way, it'll hold it.
Swing. No, you have it. Swing it out.
I know, but then it's hitting the top.
And swing the other one out. Hold those hard. Can't do it the other way, Laura.
What?
Flip the clamp.
Got it.
As you can.
We have 11-foot ceilings in the garage, so as you can see, I'm only 5 feet tall. There's a lot of wall above me. The beams we're using over the doors are called LVLs, and it's like a manufactured lumber, which are really strong, so they can hold a lot of weight. Our floor system, the beams that we're going to be using for that are also LVL beams. Hold it for a minute. LVL beams are laminated veneer lumber, and it's multiple layers of thin wood that are glued together in a factory setting. They can be made up to 60 feet long, and they are stronger than just putting together pieces of wood. They're also less likely to twist and warp over time, so they're a really good choice for beams that are supporting a long length.
Keep a hand on it. Let's pull these sticks off so we can get it into place.
this is how we're building. As you can see, some days it's crux as soon as you get out of the car, and some days, I'm dressed in building all day because, family, we have a life, the kids have activities, and we just started trying to do those things while we're also building our house. So here we are, real life building. So here's where we're at. We have what's going to be the entryway over here on our left, then the meat cutting room, then our walk-in refrigerator, and then the mechanical room. So those are all framed in now. Hey guys, comment down below if you've done your own family build project. We'd love to hear how it went. Hit that subscribe button so you can see what's next on our garage apartment build, and we look forward to you joining us next time.